Tired of reaching for your headphones, only to find a tangled mess? Well, now there's CableBone, the easy-to-use cord wrap that works with all your headphones, earbuds, and USB cables. The CableBone is easy to use. Simply grab your headphone or USB cable, grab your CableBone, insert one end of the cable into the CableBone, wrap the cable around, then tuck the other end of the cable into the other slot of the CableBone and tuck it under the cord for a secure fit. The CableBone holds your cord securely, keeping your cords neat and organized in your purse, bag, or luggage.